Hey guys, Robbie with RC Detail here. Behind me, I have a 2020 Subaru. Unfortunately, this car decided to be a submarine and take a swim in a creek in about 3 feet of water. We're doing this for USAA as an insurance job. Customer brought this in, standing water inside. As you can see, we've already started the disassembly process. We removed the seats, the center console, pulled out the carpet kit itself. We have things drying. Right now, we're going through trying to figure out what's still working, what's not. Here over the next few days, we're gonna finish getting this car put back together, give it a final detail again. Ben's gotten the interior put back together. We're getting ready to give it a final detail. Ordering a few little electrical components. We're gonna give it a final detail, put a mold inhibitor treatment over all the fabric and leather surfaces, get this thing back to the customer. So, you know, whether it's a basic detail or your car decided to take a swim, give us a shout down here on RC Detail. We're not afraid to take on projects like that. Thanks.